Hello and welcome to Tink. My name is Malcolm and today I'm going to give you my hands-on comparison review between the Philips Hue and LIFX smart light bulb. Let's get started. Over the past few weeks I've had the opportunity to use the Philips Hue and LIFX smart lights at home, and I found that they were really complementing my daily routines quite nicely. Smart lights are becoming popular choices to illuminate your home environments, and you don't need to have many or any other smart home products to take full advantage of a single light bulb. Now on to the comparison. And let's begin first with the Philips Hue smart lights. The first thing to be aware of is that you're going to need a separate Philips Hue bridge in order for the smart lights to function over a wireless connection. Just plug the Philips Hue bridge into your internet router and the Philips Hue light into a lighting source. Following that, you use the Philips Hue app, pressing the centerpiece of the Hue bridge when prompted to install and connect your smart light. While having to use an additional bridge connector may not be ideal, installation was straightforward and took only a couple of minutes from plugging it in to connecting it through the app. Following the installation, using the app to control my lighting was pretty easy, being able to choose from a selection of lighting presets or customizing the lighting as I wanted to with the color wheel. And while I found the color wheel to be a bit daunting at first with the unlimited range of color options to choose from, after 10 to 15 minutes I was able to find an enjoyable, comforting range of colors that I could easily turn into presets. Philips Hue also provides a nice arrangement of color presets for you to choose from if you are having troubles deciding on your own color or need some inspiration. The Philips Hue produced a very warm and ambient lighting, which was especially comforting when watching TV shows, playing video games, and waking up and falling asleep. Coming in at 800 lumens, the Philips Hue gives off a standard level of brightness that is going to be just fine for most people. But there are other smart lights on the market that have a higher degree of brightness, such as the LIFX at 1100 lumens. That being said, the Philips Hue gives off a soothing range of ambient colors that really feel futuristic and comforting. Now on to the LIFX smart light. The first thing you will notice about the LIFX is its size. It has a bold design that is very commanding and stands out in comparison to the smaller and lighter Philips Hue. The bold design is also due to the LIFX housing its wireless technology directly within its casing. To use the lights, you just need to plug in the light to a lighting source and connect it to your wireless connection in your phone's wireless settings. While simple on paper, unfortunately for me, installation took a bit longer than expected. I had some problems connecting with the LIFX on both iPhone and Android, even after following the instructions in the app and on the website. After tinkering around with my wireless router a bit, I was finally able to connect, but the whole process did take some time, and it may be worth checking to make sure that you have the right router and connection to support the LIFX in your home. Once my router was correctly set up, I was ready to go. I was able to take full advantage of the light's capabilities, which more than made up for the connection issues. The LIFX light comes in at 1100 lumens compared to 800 lumens of the Philips Hue, producing a very sharp brightness that really enveloped my room. On light brightness alone, the LIFX is a clear winner, as this extra brightness gives a wider array of lighting depth to select from. I found the added brightness very nice, as it was not overpowering and was useful when reading or doing home office, as my eyes were not straining throughout the day or night. Unique to the LIFX is the horseshoe light color wheel, with a sensitivity meter in the middle. This does take some time to get used to, as the design is certainly non-conventional. However, once I got familiar with the color wheel, I enjoyed having the precision of choosing the exact lighting that I wanted. This was further supported by a healthy range of preset lighting scenes to choose from to create the perfect lighting for the right mood. The LIFX also had no trouble producing lower warm colors for a nice dinner date or evening relaxation. If you're looking to really illuminate your room and home, then the LIFX may be the right choice for you. In the end, both light bulbs do exactly what they're intended for, which is to provide you with a wide range of color options to brighten up your home and your daily routines. Compared to a traditional light that only has one color and level of brightness, the Philips Hue and LIFX gave me a range of lighting options that were better fitting for my eyes depending on what I was doing throughout the day. For this alone, the smart lights won me over, as they are well worth the purchase for many of those who are just looking for practical enhancements for their daily lives, as it is also easy to set up timers to automate your lights within the app. The Philips Hue is more reliable when it comes to setup and installation, produces very warm and ambient colors, and also has the more simple and easy to use interface. The LIFX in comparison is significantly brighter than the Philips Hue, has a higher degree of color precision, and does not require a separate bridge to connect to the internet. However, we do advise checking your internet connection type, as setup may vary per user. Overall, both lights are a great addition to any home and will give you exactly what you're looking for, which is daily routine enhancement. I hope you've enjoyed this comparison video between Philips Hue and LIFX. Let us know in the comment section below which smart lights you have at home or which you would choose and why. My name is Malcolm. Until next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. You can also check out more of our products at tink.us. Until next time.